In this video, we are going to discuss about the sound, how sound is produced, sources of sound, and some other interesting things about the sound. So stay connected with us for coming few minutes. As we can observe from our surroundings, different sounds can be produced by different sources. Sound is a form of energy. We know light produces the sensation of sight. In the similar manner, sound produces the sensation of hearing in our ears. Each source of sound is a vibrating body. It means sound is produced when a body vibrates. When a person whistles, the vibrations of the particles in the air produces sound. When a person speaks, his vocal cords vibrates to produce sound in the voice box. If you want to feel it, you can put your hand on your throat. When a person strikes the bell, it vibrates and produces the sound. Hence, we can come to the conclusion that sound is produced till the body is vibrating, and when it stops vibrating, the sound stops. We can confirm this by a simple experiment. Take a ruler, press it at one end by your one hand, pull down the other end of the ruler by your other hand, and leave the ruler. You will observe that ruler will start vibrating and the humming sound will be produced because of the vibrations. As soon as the scale stops vibrating, the sound cannot be heard. Now we will see the sources of sound. There are different types of sources of sound. The musical instruments like flute, mouth organ, harmonium, tabla can produce sound. Human beings also can produce sound when our vocal cords vibrates. Our throat has voice box. It is a box-like structure. It has walls of tough tissue. Vocal cords you can see in the picture. When we speak, the cords become tight and they vibrates and the sound is produced. Bees don't have the voice box. They produce sound by moving their wings very fast. Sound requires a medium for propagation or traveling from one point to the other point. Hence, it cannot travel through the vacuum. Sound can travel in all types of medium, solid, liquid and gases. Since sound is a form of energy, this sound energy in the air is transmitted from one place to the another. Sound travels in the form of longitudinal waves. When a body vibrates, the particles in the surrounding vibrates about its mean position. Energy transfers from one particle to the other, and this continues and reaches to our ears, and we can hear the sound. In the longitudinal waves, the vibrations of the particles are in the direction of propagation of waves. Compression and rarefactions form one wave. The number of vibrations produced per second by the source is known as frequency of the source. The notation for frequency is N. Sometimes we use small f also for the frequency. The unit of frequency is Hertz. The audible range for humans is between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Means we cannot hear the sound of frequency below 20 Hz and above 20 kHz. That is 20,000 Hz. The sound of frequency above 20 kHz are ultrasonic sound. The animals like dogs, bats, leopard can hear the ultrasonic sound. During the night, bat produces the ultrasonic sound. When the sound comes back after reflection from any object or obstacle, the bat detects the presence of the obstacle in the way. Hence, bat travels in the night safely. The sound of frequency lower than 20 Hz are called infrasonics. Hence, both ultrasonic and infrasonic sounds are inaudible for us. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.